Good morning bakers, just a quick video today to show you how to season your baking tin or your baking tray. Whenever you buy a new baking tin or baking tray, make sure it's seasoned, otherwise your loaf will stick to the baking tray and also the crust will not be very nice. Once it's seasoned, don't wash your baking tray after using. Just wipe it with a piece of cloth and just grease it with some olive oil before putting it back in your cupboard. So I've got the oven, which is fan oven, heating to 180 degrees centigrade. If you have a non-fan oven, then use 200 degrees centigrade or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a gas oven, then gas mark 6. Let it preheat. Once it's fully heated, take a bit of margarine, put it in your tin, rub it around all over, just a gentle covering all around. And then once you have done that, put that into your oven for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, switch the oven off and let the baking tin cool down inside, and it's ready to use. I hope to see you very soon. Until next time, thank you for watching.